Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money online. With the rise of the internet, it's easier than ever to start making money without leaving the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll cover some of the most popular methods for making money online, as well as some tips for getting started. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have a particular skill or talent. There are a variety of freelance opportunities available online, from writing and editing to graphic design and programming. To get started, you'll need to create a profile on a freelance platform such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Once you've created your profile, start bidding on jobs that match your skills and experience. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products. You earn a commission for each sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. To get started, you'll need to find products or services that align with your interests or niche, sign up for their affiliate program, and start promoting their products through your website or social media channels. Method 3. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and market your courses to a global audience. To get started, you'll need to create an outline of your course, record your content, and upload it to the platform. You can then set your price and start promoting your course to potential students. Method 4. E-commerce. E-commerce is another popular way to make money online. You can sell physical products or digital products such as ebooks, software, and courses. To get started, you'll need to create an online store using platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. You'll then need to source your products, set your prices, and start promoting your store through social media and other marketing channels. Tips for getting started. Now that you know some of the most popular methods for making money online, here are some tips for getting started. Set realistic goals. Making money online takes time and effort. Set realistic goals for yourself and work towards them consistently. Learn new skills. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you'll have to make money online. Consider taking online courses or tutorials to learn new skills. Build your online presence. To succeed online, you need to have a strong online presence. Build a website, start a blog, and create social media accounts to promote your products or services. Be patient. Making money online takes time. Don't expect to make a fortune overnight. Stay patient and stay committed to your goals. Conclusion. There you have it, some of the most popular ways to make money online. Whether you choose to freelance, do affiliate marketing, sell online courses, or start an e-commerce store, remember to set realistic goals, learn new skills, build your online presence, and be patient. With time and effort, you can start earning money online and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching.